Hi, this is Sahana. In our last session, we had discussed about logical operators. There you might have heard the term logical negation operator. Today we are going to discuss logical negation operator. Logical operators are used to evaluate Boolean expressions. Boolean expressions are the expressions that return either true or false. Here is a list of all the logical operators available in C#. Our today's session is going to be specific to negation operator. There are few important things that we should know. The first is this is an unary operator. That means it takes single operand. Next very important thing is it computes logical negation of its operand. That means if operand's value is true, it will evaluate to false. If operand's value is false, then the result will be true. We will see that later in our example. And exclamation mark is used to represent this operator. Before jumping into example, let's understand when to go for logical negation operator. If you want to test opposite condition of Boolean expression, you can use this operator. Or if you want to toggle the state of Boolean expression, even then you can use this operator. Here is an example. Let's say you want to deal with a situation. If student is not on time, then mark him absent, else mark him present. Now we are going to see how we are going to make use of negation operator to deal with this situation. I'm declaring a Boolean variable is on time. This variable is going to hold value true or false that will represent whether student is on time or not. I have assigned true, that means student is on time. I will write if condition and I will make use of this is on time and I'll use negation operator here. This condition will become true if student is not on time. If student is not on time, I'll print a message. The student is marked as absent. Else, the student is marked as present. Let's test it now. Result says the student is marked as present. Let's analyze this negation operator. Here, this operand's value is true. In this case, this if block did not get executed. The reason is this block will get executed if the condition is true. In this case, it is false because negation of true will be false. Here is on time is true. Negation of true will be false. So this condition is false. So this section did not get executed. Just to summarize this operator, negation of true will be false and negation of false will be true. You can use this operator in a variety of situations, but whenever you're going to make use of this operator, just remember this will toggle operand's value. If it is true, then it will make it false. If it is false, then it will make it true. That's it for today's session. In next video, we are going to discuss one more logical operator. See you soon in the next video. Thank you.